West Hills in the San Fernando Valley. Mark Kono in Sky 5 HD over the scene. Mark, what are we looking at here?
Yeah, have a look at this LAPD pursuit of what is believed to be a stolen vehicle here. This black Scion TC with yellow paper plates making their way through West Hills in the West Valley here. And now he's in the mall, southbound through the parking lot here. We just picked this up a couple of minutes ago. Sky 5 HD, of course, first overhead with this breaking news of an LAPD pursuit. Now, the confusion here, or perhaps some speculation, is that this vehicle may have been used in a pursuit a couple of weeks back. No confirmation as of yet, but I can tell you that they have been pursuing this person for the better part of about 10 to 15 minutes at this point. He stops coming out of the driver's door and now on foot. LAPD units are very close behind here, very close behind, and they will be able to get a hold of this guy and tackle him and take him to the ground here. Look at that. My goodness. Only one occupant in this vehicle here, and they have taken this guy down very aggressively. We are just outside of the mall here in the west side here. Now we are going to be, I'll give you a couple of cross streets here when I'm able to, but essentially just south of Victory Boulevard here, where they have now taken this guy into custody here. This pursuit is over code 4, and again, a stolen vehicle suspect here. They have been chasing this guy maybe 15, 20 minutes here through the West Valley, through West Hills, and you just saw him as he tried to foot bail in the parking lot of the mall here, and he was just taken down. Guys, that is the update from overhead in Sky 5 HD. Let me send it back down to you in Hollywood.
Boy, thank goodness he was driving very quickly through that parking lot, posing a great danger. Looked like he was trying to get away on a skateboard.
Yeah. We are glad to see that